Hi guys, this is 2011 Kia Sorento. So I'm going to adjust for the handbrake. You can see in here wheel, we have to inside of the wheel need to adjust for the handbrakes. So you have to check the handbrakes lever. So you can see the foot brake lever is very high. So you can go in underneath here. You need to adjust that one. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So 10 notches. Okay guys, we off the wheels. You can see this hole. We need to there adjust for the handbrake. It's a little grommet, and we can put the screwdriver in here. Then have to adjust the foot brake. So I show you in what's the inside. I off this one and the rotor, take it out, then I'll show you how to looks like handbrake. Okay guys, I off this caliper. They come in two 14mm bolt in the back, and loose this one. Okay, take it off the rotor. Okay guys, you can see the handbrake shoe. It's a foot brake shoe in here. So I just was here. So here the adjuster. You can see that in here, this one put in your upward is getting release your brake shoes. This side is release. This side, when you put it downward, is getting adjust your handbrake. When you put it down like this, it's tighten the brakes, foot brakes or handbrakes. This side tight, and this side when upward is a release. When you put it the disc, you can see in here the adjuster inside. Okay, we're going to adjust the brake. So I'm going to put back this one. Okay guys, now I'm going to adjust the foot brake. It's now free. Okay, now you know where the adjuster is. The adjuster is in here. I put downwards. Put the full lock. Okay, just a little bit more. Okay, now is that full tight. And after I go to really bit release, again upward, see this wiggling now. A bit more. Okay, handbrake adjusted. Now put back the little grommet. Okay, we need to do the same thing of the other side. Okay guys, this is the right hand side. Okay, now you know where the adjuster is. This side I getting full lock. This side also downside. Okay, this fully locked. Now release upward 2 notches. Okay. Oh. All good. Then you have to put the grommet back in. Okay guys, after that we check the foot brake. Enough. 1 2 3 4 5. All good. So this is the end of the video. Thanks for watching my videos. We'll see you in the next one.